Okay, so we got this situation in an ellipse. So you know it is ellipse with center origin. So you know that it will look like x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So anyway you have to manage a and b. Okay, if the difference between the length of major axis and minor axis is 10, so you know that it will be either a minus b equals to 10 or b minus a equals to 10. You have to decide it is horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse. And one of the foci, so look at this, they are talking about foci, is at 0 comma 5 root 3. So it is 0, so it is on y axis, so it is vertical. Okay, so look at this, you got your diagram. Now you know that this is the smaller axis, so smaller axis is what? Minor axis. Okay, so length of minor axis is what? 2a, and length of major axis is what? 2b. So can I go with 2b minus 2a, bigger minus smaller, is equal to 10, or b minus a equals to 5? So we got our first relationship. Okay, now look at this, they have provided you this point. This point is foci, so either this thing or this thing. You know that it is x is 0, so it is 0 comma be, it is positive, that's why it is above x axis. So can I say that the value of be is equal to 5 root 3? We got another equation. So we have altogether three variable a, b and e, and we need to solve this one. You know that three variable two equation we cannot solve, so we have to take help of another equation. So we will take help of relationship between a, b and e. So you know that all the time we have to write 1 minus e square, correct? The thing which is bigger will go inside. You know it is vertical ellipse, so b is bigger, so b will go inside, है ना? Now let's simplify this thing little bit more. Can I say that a square is equal to b square minus b square e square, correct? Now, so a square is equal to b square. You know that be is 5 root 3. So it is square. So squaring both sides. So 25 into 3, 75. Is that okay? So can I write b square minus a square is equal to 75? Can I write b minus a square minus b square, b plus a as 75? Batao. And you know that b minus a is 5, so it will become 15. So we got a plus b as 15. So we got another equation. Okay, we have these two equations. Now can we solve? So if we will add both things, so we will have 2b is equal to what? 20. So b is equal to 10. Okay, so if b is 10, a will become 5. A will become 5, correct or wrong? Just substitute value of b in this part. Okay, so we got value of a, we got value of b. Now you can write down the required equation of curve as x square by a square. A is what? 5, so 25, plus y square by b square, b is 10, So it is 100 equals to 1. So this is the required equation of curve. Now then the length of its latus rectum. So look, you have to find out length of latus rectum. Okay, now let's try to derive the formula again, because we cannot assume that you have memorized those formulas. So you know that this is latus rectum perpendicular to axis passing through focus, है ना? So y coordinate will remain the same, correct na? Y coordinate will remain the same. So can I say that x square by a square and y coordinate will remain the same? So can I go with b square e square? I have substituted b in place of y, okay, by b square equals to 1. Now I'll simplify this thing on. So x square is equal to 1 minus e square and a square. So can I write root over plus or minus a square 1 minus e square? So can I say that like length of latus rectum will be 2 times root over a square 1 minus e square. Okay, now have you ever seen 1 minus e square ever? Yes, it is in the relationship between AB and E. So you know that you have to write 1 minus e square for sure. You are dealing with vertical. So who is bigger? B is bigger. So B will go inside a square. Correct? So in place of 1 minus e square, can we write a square by b square? So 2 times a square by b square. So can I write this to be as 2 times a square by b, because it is talking about the length now. The length should be positive. Okay, so who is a? A is 5. So a square is 5 है ना? And who is b? B is 10. So this thing gone. So you got 5. So length of latus rectum is 5 unit. I hope you are comfortable with the approach. Okay, the idea is clear now.